Now we will talk about how to sell crypto and withdraw it from your bank. So let's say someone sent you an amount in crypto and now you want to sell it so that you can get it in your bank in your own currency. So to do that, again you will go to your Coinbase. First go to the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Then you will select that crypto and click on the sell button. And you see there is an option for a USD wallet. It means where you are selling the amount to. So you are selling the crypto to your USD wallet. And once the crypto has been sold, then go to your assets option. Go to your USD balance and select it. And you can simply select your payout methods like your bank card, PayPal, etc. and then simply click on cash out. It's that easy to cash out the crypto payment from Coinbase. If you haven't joined our YouTube community yet, I request you to join to support us. You can go to our YouTube channel and click on the join button and choose any tiers and join in. You will also get quite a lot of benefits from it. Firstly, you will get the access of the badges and custom emojis. You get highlighted on all comments, posts and live chats. There are posts and polls for members only. And you also get special early access to all videos prior to others. There's also a specific tab only for community members. Not only that, there's a huge lot of other benefits that you will get, showing you some of them as per tiers. So we request you to please join our YouTube community and support us to help us create more good contents for you. And at the last, we would like to thank you for your support. Hey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please leave any comment below if you still have any questions or any suggestions on the videos or improvements that we can make. And share it with your friends, and hope we meet again soon on the next video. Till then, bye.